4-pack of Lasco. I don't know if she run anybody's business place.
Deserve it. She's too lazy. You see all these things you come and live and saying, put them in a song.
Mic check, mic check, mic check, mic check. 1, ready. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Hey, 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 2. Yeah. I know you feel it, feel. I know you point. Yeah. Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. Now this is going to be quite an abbreviated edition of the countdown because you know people busy and all of these things, but I'll make sure I say I'm gonna bring it to you in a timely fashion. So let's run into the top 10.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them something me, what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Sumfest 2020. My word, my sentence, my paragraph. Alright, so I don't know, say this year not keep and coronavirus has totally just spoiled up my plans for attending Reggae Sumfest and you know have me like interviews them and all of them stuff there. It just spoiled. But anyhow, it look like so the Sumfest team them kind of take things back to the drawing board and them go work out one like a deal with Facebook and them have something called a taste of Sumfest and so I like the performances them from Friday and Saturday. I'm not gonna lie, they look a dance all night, it go on that little thing. It was very, very good. For say with Ramesh artists them with Ding Dong, you have TJ, you had Shenseea there representing and I like to see Shenseea as well because you know so she recently, you know, lost her mom. So for she take the stage like that, it was really a good looking thing for say she in a good spirits and she really take on the stage. And also there were so many performances that were there like I felt like just did good. Ding Dong him the good as usual. Who else we forgot about? It's just like Conscience did good and in Brigand Diane that was a good little moment. But what everybody is our backs were talking about is that moment with Ishawna on stage. Now first, I want to applause for Ishawna look at. Yeah man, Ishawna look shell and all of these things. And so beyond that, no, I forgot to say, I'm kind of impressed with her performance. I feel like she's definitely growing as an artist. And when I look at Ishawna, you can tell a long time she tried to go up on a stage. It looked like she didn't like the whole COVID thing. And a long time she did wait for the moment there. And it good for say she and Joe kind of squashed a little beef that they might have had. And you know, come out of the entanglements and everything kind of good and copacetic right about now. So big up yourself Ishawna and that foot in mouth moment.
Listen! Oh, some man there with some woman. And the woman just groups and left them. So I want to know why the woman left them. Because when they eat vagina like this.
Ishawna, between me and you, I feel like somebody actual word pan. Like when you Ishawna, you can't behave yourself. Every day you come and get detention, so. Every time you just step up backstage, go and get detention, so somebody can put in another naughty card. It was fun though. That is what you call a Sumfest moment. But yeah, let me know, readers, what you thought about Ishawna's performance and you know what you think of the whole night to the reggae night. Number 9, hide and seek thief. Mibula loaf. What? Alright, so I see this video now recently with this woman who I cut from a supermarket. I'm not gonna lie, people. I do not know how the woman decides that she going to encamp it all of them type of stuff there from underneath her frock, but she totally so I have to eat crackers. We don't know water. Because NWC take with me but water, I'm there eat the Miss Bird crackers without no water at all. I'm gonna have nothing for full up back none, so I'm just there choke and then I make that countdown. But anyway, I do not know how the woman ended up have so many contents underneath her pre.
Someone will attack you and everything's skin out already, you know. Ambitious bad.
I'm not gonna say, I don't think this is the first time the woman try something like this. I honestly don't think it's her first time, but I'm not gonna lie, lady, like good, like all of them, any standing back. Anybody know her? Like, I don't know. I don't know. Sound off down below.
I have a Chipsu poodle puppy, and one night I was in New York when a car run over and mash up the whole inside test cement. I asked time, so my sister know Miss.
Number 8, Chris vibing. Me rich people life. Alright, so cricketer Chris Gayle, recently posted a video on his social media just showing himself just having fun in this COVID times. Alright, Chris Gayle, enjoy a little life. I'm not rich like you, but I understand it. Enjoy a little self. Okay. Number 7, Pampute versus Lisa Hype. Me cuss off. Jesus, I do not know like what go on with 2020 and all of this back and forth beef. But have too much things are going on in this world for really focus on them something here, But anyhow, I know say, Pampute and Lisa Hype, they've been having some sort of online feud ever since Lisa Hype decided to, basically make a public apology to Spice and them kind of squash it. It looked like say Pampute never really just liked the energy behind the apology and so she kind of make her little feelings known. Lisa Hype take it up and the two of them just step on social media just back and forth. At this point in time, I lose my interest in this whole entire squabble because I like these two ladies, I'm just can't bother with it. So me just like give you a little synopsis of what transpired and then just leave it to Uno for say which side on the pan. Yeah, cause I don't have time for your waste right now.
Me now watch them. Me not even know what is Pampute Instagram. And yesterday, somebody comment some up on Pink Wall. And me say, you am at Pampute, come suck me. Ma at her. Here one. Me prefer to come on internet and diss her up every day than do song. Yeah. Me prefer to come on internet and diss her up every day than to do a song panda girl. So listen to me, auntie. Come if you come. And stop chat, cause me now come on social media every minute come across about Lisa Hype this and Lisa Hype that and whatever and people me tell all of you say una Pampute fans and all of these things.
Alright, so let me know burritos. In all of this, are you team Pampute or are you team Lisa Hype? Sound off below. Number 6, Frog Kiss. Me Lord of mercy. Okay, so recently I saw this video that was posted by a girl. I guess some foreigner. She visited Jamaica last year, and she said that when she visited Jamaica, she saw a frog, and this is what she did. Take a look.
Oh, I picked him up. Look at this man.
Don't do that.
You did it.
Oh no! Oh my God, no! The girl like, you swear say you're gonna turn into a princess? You think say is the princess and the frog this? Lady. So apparently I was also informed via the comments on the Twitter post that is not actually a frog. Apparently it's a toad, and not just any regular toad. It is a very poisonous toad, so she could have probably lose her life and all of something there. But she said that everything is fine and yeah, the frog wasn't harmed and all of that. So let me know in the comments, are you scared of frogs, toads? Would you ever attempt to kiss one? More of your sound off. Number 5, Buju and Trevor Noah. Me intellectual Bible. Alright, so anybody who knows me knows that I'm a big fan of Trevor Noah. Like I watch him program religiously just because I think that Trevor Noah's mind is just the way he look on the world and just how he's able to break it down in such an easy and efficient way and just like trying to, he just appears so unbiased and so neutral. I just think that Trevor Noah is boy, just brilliance personified. That's all. And so when we hear that Buju Banton was going to be on the show, I was just like, okay, definitely sounds like something we have to tune in.
Buju Banton. Welcome to the Daily Social Distancing Show.
Haha, respect. Thanks for having me on your program.
It truly is an honor to have you on because, I mean, you are a legend. And I mean, this is not a term that people use lightly, especially in the same genre as people like Bob Marley or Peter Tosh. They say Buju Banton is a legend of reggae. And you're back with a new album. You're back with an album that has been so highly anticipated that when you performed in Jamaica at the National Stadium.
And I'm not gonna lie, I like how Buju step to the show. I like say him show off his intellect as well. I don't know what kind of lighting and what kind of phone quality, but everything is just good for that Trevor Noah interview. So big up yourself, Buju Banton, and big up Trevor for having the Gargamel on. Number 4, Sister's Charge. Sister, but not a good way, not for this one. So recently, let me tell you about the whole tomorrow I get his story, who is the 36-year-old lady that was set up by her own family members so them could get possession of the home. Yeah, it's just really messy. So anyway, so them they find out say, the older sister, she's the culprit as well as the sister's kids and some other woman where I don't really know about right now. But anyway, so the police, they were charged. And so the video show where they will be brought into custody, and boy oh boy, I still cannot believe this story at all. me still can't believe the story. When I think about it and just remember and be reminded that family can do stuff like that, you have to be careful. You have to be careful of friends and you have to be careful of family. Like, it's not safe in the streets. That's all. Number 3, Rose, Sandakan, and Expert. Me days of our life. Why them people here just start out them entanglements? Like, I do not know. So anyway, so when you know, so like Rose, this schedule for married Expert, and in the middle of that now, apparently Expert must get abusive towards her and Rose never like it, and Rose start to come on social media, dog out Expert, just talk all kind of bag of things and I tell them smell stink and them not bad and them look something there.
But you got put back in your family then, you know, confirm.
Yo, Expert, you hear that, brother? Rose. What just all about? They say if what they say? They say
if you got put back in and after me saying they like me, you're not confirm out of flanker. Dirty boy, you never be a date. I mean, no, you never be a date.
Yeah, about.
Out to my friend saying they smell your dirty thinking nasty, not a perk. This is 10 times better for you. So my man 10 times better for you. Look on you. Who you? You know, better can not taking now you. Right.
And in the middle of that, she started to went back to Sandakan. Now Sandakan come like fear Will Smith, you know, him and the man she about, you know, from a little while back. And him, you know, she live with him and them look something there. But it look like say Sandakan life kinda boring and kinda too structured for Rose. And Rose like the little walk up and down the street, she like the little excitement, she like the little extraction, you know, them like Ishawna life there. She love the little fun the festivities. So that is not from Sandakan. So in the middle of that, she went back to Expert.
And look at your class, Expert. Where there, eh? Look at your class in where there. Yeah, Expert, this is saying beard, a wipe out Yo, I'm saying, you say wipe out
I do not know if because she say Expert do the things them and Sandakan not do it, and it look like say the things them just a whole are to the point where she will just like take the little butter bruising just for the sake of those type of extractions. I do not know, Rose, but I wish you all the best. Me know, can you have your kids them, you two pitting them, and I just hope that at some point in time you just kind of put on the all of them entanglements there, and you just focus where you need to focus on Zine, but all the best.
Come to Jamaica. How is the state of Jamaica so far? Good. Good. Make sure you love it and eat some nice seafood and some early morning ackee and sawfish with some nice roti. Jamaica. You love Jamaica. That evening songs are really nice. I hope you're welcome to Jamaica. Anytime. You got any Jamaican parties yet?
No, man.
No, I think you need to try that when it comes.
I think I'm going to go to Yush.
Wow, that's a beautiful place. You got the Negril,
yeah.
the Mobe, just drive safe and have a lovely day.
Big up, big
love
up.
you, love you, love you.
Number 2, Pepperman. Me, what is not this? Alright, someone see this video here on Twitter, and boy, this brother now apparently him have some Caribbean friends, some Jamaican friends, and you know them say I go through a little situation with the bag them underneath him eye, and them decided say, yo, I'm gonna give you the hookup, I'm gonna tell you a little tip on how you can, you know, get rid of that. Free.
For the bags under your eyes. Now, I don't have very big bags under my eyes, but we're going to try out this product today because that's what we do. So my friend suggested you just cut it in half. And then you take the habanero, do a quick rub under your eyes, and give it give it a few, whew.
No, honestly, you tell me no, like really, them are some good friends. Them people here are your enemy. They never mean you well, my you. Them honestly never mean you well. Oh my gosh. But let me know, Berry, have you ever put a prank on somebody like this and then fall feet? Sound off below. And number 1 goes to Lasco Thief. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. So number 1 goes to Lasco Thief. No, G's and P. This video just took all over the social media places like, you know, Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram. It made a lot of persons reflect and have these conversations as to how we reprimand and how we punish people and how we treat persons who have fallen down, you know, based on whatever act that they have done that we find to be immoral. And so, in any way, you know, so this lady, you know, look like said, she got one little shop and she got a shop now. I try to, you know, wriggle up and kind of move her with little Lasco. And the people them at the shop like realized that she is a thief. And they decided to just record and do the whole of this spree.
This is Truatown. This is Truatown, St. Mary. This lady and her friend was found stealing Lasco. Whole 4-pack of Lasco. I don't know if she robbed anybody's business place, but we have to protect each other. So right now, see that she don't have one up her face. See her face is good? Yeah. Rob. So we have her in custody right now at Truatown. See? Now let her go. See? And this here, and the wig have to come off too. Without wig. See?
Okay. So let me just get this clear. So what the woman did was wrong. Like, you're not supposed to have going to the people in place and a thief. Wrong. But in terms of the people's response and how they just kind of get like them lose them humanity, I almost had to be like, you know, there are certain things when somebody do, and when them do something, you have to kind of step back and kind of look and wonder like, wait, what is happening at home for you? I reach a point where you're a thief Lasco. And this is very different from the woman who they are thief to look at them in the people in the big supermarket and them something there. Like what this has to know is that maybe somebody's actually hungry. If you ever come to that point, like it almost be like, yo, there's actually, it might be a sad situation behind this. But the people them in all them rage, them couldn't really look beyond that. And them just, you know, decide for just like, oh my God, finish her. She's the worst. She's evil. Oh my God, you thief. Like, it's basically that type of energy they bring to her. And people on social media just never like when they condemn the woman. And so luckily, in the midst of all of that, you know, some good Samaritans jump out. Say they have, what's his name again? Mr. Handsome. He jumped out and apparently gave her a shopping spree at the supermarket. So she could have take up any item that she might have needed. And she was there with her kids. And the whole entire thing was just like so good. I mean, we just like to see them look at moments there.
Your face, let them see her. Yes. This is the lady right there. She has no shame in what God can do and say, a beautiful daughter, we're going to take your shopping. So what we want you to do is to go shelf. Me didn't ask anybody for no money. That's right. See your date today. Amen. So whatever you want, pick it up. Amen. You know what I'm saying? Amen. Pick it up for your own soul. You know, God laid on my heart to do this, and I'm going to do that. Because let me tell you, I'm not even give her nothing out of the barrel, because out of the barrel is for other people. Big up yourself, Flawless Rain. Big up yourself, Shana Walker. So just pick up your stuff, them what you want. And we are going to pay for it. You know, you don't have to do what you do again. If somebody try to make you do it, tell them, say, nah, no more. You're done. Just hold your head up.
So we are here packing up the stuff there. Sansom is packing up the stuff there in his van. He's packing the stuff there in his van. This is a blessing. This is a blessing. You like? You like?
So that her situation, I'm sure she'll learn from it, and I'm sure so her kids are very grateful for the support. I'm sure them they embarrassed, you know, when them said something like that before the mother. But like, you know, we have to just say we have to just be humans at the end of the day and just be our brother's keeper and just to function in such a way with a level of empathy and understanding. Like that is all. And we must know when to decipher and to tell when it's time for just be like, yo, you deserve some like a 1 and 2 thumb. Another time from when you can pull away and say, what is happening behind the scenes that would cause you to do this? We have to know when to kind of tell the difference between them sort of two there. So like, yeah, that is all me for the readers. But let me know what do you think of the situation. Do you think that she should have been treated, or you think she should have just been treated as a thief? Sound off below. Well, that is it, readers, for this very abbreviated version of the social media countdown. I do hope that you enjoyed. If you did, please to hit the thumbs up button and also to leave a comment down below. Do not forget to share the video with your friends and your family so that they can be a part of the Berrydos family. And what else? I think turn on the post notification as well. And if you are, you know, here and you want to follow me on my social media, please do so at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all over at TheDuttyBerryShow. If you want to advertise within the social media countdown, please send me an email to DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. Take care until next time.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you for tuning to the youth.